How much more power can we get out of this brand new KTM with just our GET ECU and some VP Pro 6? That's coming up in today's video, and I gotta tell you guys, we were shocked. This bike is a rocket ship. We've got a killer tune for just the ECU and pump gas. We really picked up some nice power. And then on top of that, we decided to go redo it with race gas because this is a very common package. So we're gonna show you in this dyno versus stock what we can get with an ECU and some VP Pro 6. So let's get to it, guys. Let's check it out. So was it worth it to get VP Pro 6? Well, you guys tell me. We were able to pick up about 2 horsepower with just Pro 6, about a horsepower on the stock ECU with Pro 6. Probably the easiest horsepower you'll ever find in your life. And then if you buy our ECU and our tune-up, you're going to be able to see a full about 3 horsepower improvement between a bone stock bike and pump gas and with Pro 6 in our map. It's a huge improvement in the throttle response, and how the bike runs is absolutely incredible. So the fuel is really expensive. It's about $180, $200 at retail for 5 gallons. I think you can pick it up for about $1.80 a can at most places. But it's the easiest horsepower you're ever going to find. If you're going to go buy a pipe or you're going to go buy parts and pieces, I'll tell you right now that you're probably not going to find a single piece outside of our ECU that makes that much improvement by just putting it in the bike. It's a really good value, even though it's expensive. If you're not running it every weekend just for race days, you're going to have a really big improvement. Kudos to VP for really doing a good job on that fuel. And we hear all sorts of stuff out there. I think that some of the heat issues that some people think about are a little bit mapping issue. You don't really map your ECUs well for when the coolant temperatures rise or when the outside temperatures rise. You run into some issues with any fuel. VP sells a HT version of this fuel. It's a MR Pro 6 HT, which is a high temperature additive. We see about the same power of the dyno, but it does a little bit better job in those ultra hot days. And we've run that in the outdoor nationals for 35 minutes. So if most of you guys aren't doing outdoor nationals for 35 minutes. All right, check back for more videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.